Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to clear cache on Android Boost Speed. Instantly we'll clear unnecessary cache files from apps and Google Chrome to improve speed, free up storage, and fix common performance problems. Let's start. Method 1. Clear cache for apps. This method is useful when a specific app is running slowly, crashing, freezing, or not working properly. Clearing the cache removes temporary files while keeping your login details, settings, and personal information safe. Start by opening the Settings app on your Android device. Scroll down and tap on Apps or Applications. On some phones, this option may appear as App Management or Manage Apps depending on the device brand and Android version. Next, choose the app you want to clean. For example, social media apps, video apps, or messaging apps usually store a large amount of cache data. After selecting the app, tap on Storage or Storage and Cache. You will now see two options: Clear Cache and Clear Storage Data. Tap only on Clear Cache. This safely removes temporary files and can improve the app's speed and responsiveness. Avoid tapping Clear Storage or Clear Data unless you want to reset the app completely and remove saved information. Method 2. Clear Browser Cache in Google Chrome. Web browsers collect cached images, scripts, and website data to load pages faster. However, too much cached data can slow down browsing performance and cause websites to display incorrectly. Open the Google Chrome app on your Android phone. Tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner and select Settings. From there, open Privacy and Security, then tap Delete Browsing Data. Choose the data you want to remove. Make sure the option for cached images and files is selected. You can also choose cookies and browsing history if needed. For the best cleanup, select the time range as all time. Finally, tap Delete Data and confirm the action if prompted. Chrome will remove the stored cache files, helping websites load more smoothly and improving overall browsing speed. Now you know how to safely clear cache on Android and keep your device running smoothly. If this guide was useful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more smartphone tutorials and hidden tips. Have a great day.